Hi, I'm Haley with Highway Products and Pavati Boats. We're looking for experienced aluminum welders. Let me show you a few of the products you'll be making and where you'll be welding them. Follow me. Each welder has their own booth and makes their own product. This is our large welding area. This is where you could be welding on large truck bodies. You could be welding our semi-truck cab guard. You could be welding drift boats. Or tomorrow you could be welding wake boats. Highway Products manufactures the highest quality and the best looking truck accessories and truck bodies. Our customers and our competitors consider Highway Products and Pavati Boats to be industry leaders as we ship all of our products all over the world. Everything we manufacture is made from aluminum, and we are constantly searching for highly skilled welders that take pride in fabricating superior products. As you can see, we have a ton of welding opportunities here at Highway Products. So please give us a call at 1-800-TOOLBOX to make an appointment for your next career.